After months of political inertia, a feeling that, for better or worse, things are starting to move, with Parliament backing an election on December the 12th.
Order.
6 weeks before the Prime Minister and his opponents battle it out at the ballot box, they faced off in the House of Commons. Boris Johnson's framing the election around the economy and delivering Brexit.
Leadership means standing up for the people of this country and standing up for our economy and for our wealth creators. And above all, it means getting Brexit done and ending the dither and the delay.
The opposition Labour leader said the election should be about protecting public services, including Britain's revered National Health Service.
People have a chance to vote for real change after years of Conservative and Lib Dem cuts. Privatisation and tax handouts for the richest. This government that's put our NHS into crisis. This election is a once-in-a-generation chance to end privatisation in our NHS.
The government's been repeatedly accused of trying to sell off the country's health service in what's been called a Trump-style trade deal. So there you have it, a taste of the issues and party pledges that will dominate campaigning over the next few weeks. But make no mistake about it, this election is about Brexit. Boris Johnson is currently the leader of a minority Conservative Party government. He wants to rebalance power in his favour, and he needs a surge in support to get his Brexit deal done. The Prime Minister's confident, but he can't afford to be complacent. His predecessor, Theresa May, had a double-digit lead in the polls when she called an election in 2017. She ended up losing support and was forced to form a minority government. Johnson's desperate for an outright win, but there are no guarantees.
If we get another hung parliament, then what we need to see is whether Boris Johnson or Jeremy Corbyn, whoever it might be, actually has the political skills to govern as a minority. Other leaders managed to do it, but so far British politicians have grow up thinking that if they get to be Prime Minister, they get to command a majority in a relatively pliant parliament, and maybe they need to do a bit of a reset to how they think about governing.
Parliament is dissolved automatically 25 working days before a general election. That's next Wednesday, November the 6th. The country is heading towards its third election in 5 years, a decision that could end the deadlock or deepen the crisis. Neave, Al Jazeera, Westminster.